Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So these are Cushion Ombre painting gel nails. It does come with two different colors. It has this little cushion right here. You'll just take this plastic thing out and then be able to push the sponge into there. So it comes with white. Let me go ahead and show you the other color. And then it comes with B32, which is red. Let me go ahead and show you. That's what that color looks like. And then it comes with all these different little sponges, and you're going to pick it up with this. So all you do is grab this, pick it up, and then you're going to be able to dip it into that little nail pod thing and then ombre it onto your nails. But let me go ahead and show you it in use.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna see the kids are
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.